Chris Scotty is attempting to scale the glacier that I just got up. It's only about 20 feet of sheer ice, but yeah. Scotty, can you do it?
Let's see. In a second, YouTube crowd.
There he goes, he's off. Oh shit.
Come on. It's hard to get a lift though. Now you come down and get me.
Just cheerleading squad. Sam.
You killed it. I've not sheared that off. Alright. Gentleman Jack going right to my head.
Get some more if you get up there. He's talking about this. This is the Gentleman Jack whiskey he gets if he gets up there. I'm gonna have some. Oh, that's good. Oof. Warms the soul.
Hey, you doing shots without me?
Yep. Sorry, buddy.
Frick bastard. Come on, bro.
Come on, you can make it. Think of the Gentleman Jack. Oh shit. I'm under fire.
There you go.
He's almost camouflaged.
Everybody else did this.
It is kind of a long.
Yeah, I did it over here.
My hands are getting kind of cold because I can't wear gloves when I use the camera.
In the medical, the hospital park. Huh?
Whoa, I slipped.
Come on.
We want a better view of this. Look at this. He's getting up, he's getting up.
Left foot up there.
There he is. All help from his bro. Here he comes. And this boy needs some gentlemen.
Whose hat is that, Walt?
That's mine. It's my Notre Dame one. See if I can get up this. Oh, God. Okay. It's only about 20 feet of snow and ice. About 2 feet of snow. Yo! Chris! I have your prize.
Mother of mercy.
Here you go. Take some.
Thank you, Jesus.
You deserve it.
Picking his ass up?
Yep, you got some. Scotty Bros. Nectar of the gods. Yes. It's good.
Oh, God,
Well, there's a basilica in the background. A little snowy.
Oh, you still coming? Your hand? Come on.
Okay. What was that? Thank you, sir. And we're done. This is a blizzard of 2010 in Washington, D.C. See ya.